Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to learn Chris Ramsay's signature card trick. Now if you have seen Chris Ramsay's YouTube channel, he performs a couple of tricks many times. A few of them are where the entire deck changes. He disappears the deck and changes into a glass block. One of his tricks is that he has a tattoo on his arm which is the exact number which the spectator cuts to. This trick which we are going to learn today is the simplest, I suppose, and it requires zero sleight of hand, in which he asks the spectator to take the cards behind his back and give the cards a cut. Take the top card, not look at it, sit on it, or you can ask him to keep it on the side. And Chris already knows what the cards are. In this case the card should be the 7 of diamonds. Let's see, there it is. So this is the trick that you're going to learn today. This was it for the performance. This is a very simple card trick, so let's go. Okay guys, so that was the performance and now it's time for the explanation. Now it's actually a stack deck. Now how do you do the stack? Well, I'm going to show you right now. What I've done right here is I've taken the 4 suits from ace all the way up to the king. This is the clubs. I've done the same with the hearts, the spades and the diamonds. Do this part with me. From clubs, hearts, spades and diamonds. Now this order is popularly known as the chaste CHSD order, which is clubs, hearts, spades and diamonds. That spells out as C, H, S and D, so you can remember it like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple more things. We take the clubs back, we take the ace of clubs and put it on top. So we're done with the clubs. We take the hearts now and we're going to break at 4 of hearts. So from ace to 4 we take it and keep it on top. So this is how it looks: ace to 4 on top and the remaining cards right here. The spades, we're going to add another 3. We're going to break at 7 and take all the cards and place it on top. So this is how it looks now: ace to 7 all on top, rest below. From diamonds we're going to break at 10. The jack, queen, k will remain at the bottom and all the other cards will come on top. Now you're ready to actually stack the deck. What we're going to do is from clubs, hearts, spades and diamonds, we're going to keep adding one card and prepare the stack. So this is how your cards should look like now. Now if you notice, you can't really see any kind of pattern, but if you look carefully you'll notice something. If I take the bottom cards, there's a 2 here, 2 of clubs, 5 of hearts, 8 of spades, jack of diamonds. The cards are in the order of chaste, C, H, S, D, and that repeats CHSD throughout the deck. And other than that, you'll notice one more thing. If I take a look at the bottom 4 cards, they each have a difference of 3. So 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 jack, and it continues throughout the deck. So when you show the deck to the spectator, there's no need to focus on anything, just randomly show the deck and it legit looks completely shuffled. Now the beauty about this is it does not matter how many times you cut the deck, the order won't change. I don't get this part, I don't expect you to get this part. Just try it out, it'll work. Now you're almost just set. You just need to remember one thing, and that is you tell the spectator to cut the cards. Make sure they complete the cut. It won't work if you do multiple cuts. Make sure they cut the cards, complete the cut. Now what the trick is, they have the top card. Now in this case the top card is the 9 of spades. What you need to figure out the top card is to know the bottom card, which is the 6 of hearts. So now they have the top card, they are either sitting on it or they have it in the pocket or it's just to the side. You take the deck back. Now while taking the deck back, you peek at the bottom card. Now this is an important part. You don't have to really or keep staring at the bottom card. What I like to do is take the cards and just turn it for once. It's as simple as that. I take the cards, I turn it just like this and proceed with the trick. Now 6. Now how to know the top card with the help of the bottom card? Listen, in the order we have arranged it, the top card should be 3 more than the bottom card for its numeric value. This might get a little complicated, bear with me, you'll get it. It's actually very simple. So in this case we have 6 here, so the top card should be 3 more, which is 7, 8, 9. So the numeric value of the top card is 9. We're gonna try this once again. So we cut the cards, complete the cut. In this case it's the king and the bottom card is the 10. So jack, queen, king, the third card, and that is the king. Now how to know the suit of the card? Give it another cut. In this case it's 7, so I want you to do it with me. So it should be 8, 9, 10. The top card should be a 10, and if you remember the chased order, you can know the suit. So clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. What comes after hearts in the chased order? It should be clubs, hearts, spades. So 7 plus 3, 10, and after hearts it's spades. So the top card should be the 10 of spades. We'll do it once again. The top card is 10 and it's a club. So sorry, the bottom card is a 10 of clubs. So the top card should be the jack, queen, king. The top card should be a king, and it should be a king of hearts, because hearts is what comes after clubs in the chased order. King of hearts. Now this is it, guys. This is the whole crux of the trick. It's a really simple method and you can really blow some minds. And that was it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Now this was the first video that I shot, so if there was anything you could not understand, or if you want to suggest me anything, I'm open to all suggestions. If you have any questions about the trick, you can leave it down in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed what you saw, and subscribe if you want to support me. That's all.